Keep touching things behind you, Tori. Find something that's behind you, the shelf below you. Maybe, yeah. There you go. Nice. And for the next 15 seconds, now take glances at each other. Repeat what you did so that they could see what your word looks like. So you have to do some more, Michael, you have to do some more work in your world. So find some more things to touch. Find Matthew. He has to do a lot of work because I got the wrong name. There you go. So find some things. Touch papers. Yeah, lose yourself in that cafe. There's meetings. There's like dog wanted sign. Oh, cute puppies, kittens for sale. All kinds of, yeah, great. Testing for all kinds of things. Volunteers needed. Blood drive. And when you're ready, you're doing great. When you're ready, you can begin to add dialogue. But don't rush it when you're ready. And it's just dialogue, yeah, just regular dialogue.
Hey.
Come here often?
You can go back to the magazines.
It's okay. Yeah, I mean, I work here.
That was dumb. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Can I get you anything?
I don't know. You mean...
Yes.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to say.
You're regular, right? I mean, you come here often.
She's recognized you, that you come here often.
Yeah.
React.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
You can come back to the magazines. Come back over here. Yeah. People are passing through you. People are grabbing coffee off your counter.
Yeah, order.
Great, someone took it and they left.
Order up.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
Pause. So stay there. Stay there. Now you're good. Stay in character. And now, so everything you've got, your characters are established. So he's gonna respond. Matthew, you're gonna respond. She just asked you the question. Anything else I can get you? So you're gonna respond. Darrell's gonna give you a melody, and just think about that game, talking rhythm, and take the melody, and you're just gonna listen at first, okay? And you can still work. You're in the world. There's still customers, but it's all him, and I'll tell you when you respond. All right? So just take your time and listen to Darrell. You got your coffee she gave you. And you're totally responding in song, duet.
Is there a place for you and me?
Keep working, George, keep working. Good. Go back to your magazines and your coffee. You're going to respond. Take all the time, Tori. Take all the time. Shh. Take all the time, Tori. Listen to Darrell. And you're just totally here in your world with your coffee and your magazines. You can respond and come towards her. You can even have dialogue. Tori, you could sing with him if you want. Same words.
I can see you.
Go back to dialogue. Go back to dialogue.
So, anything else?
Yeah. Next Friday.
Blackout!